The person who invented this submarine was truly a madman. It is called the land nuclear submarine because it can burrow into the ground and is also known as the drilling nuclear submarine. It was secretly developed by the Soviet Union to launch surprise attacks on the United States. Its principle is similar to a shield machine. It is about 30 meters long and 4 meters in diameter, resembling an oversized drill bit. The interior of the submarine is divided into 2 levels and can carry 15 soldiers and 1 ton of nuclear explosives. Its power source is a small nuclear reactor that provides sufficient thermal and electrical energy. Its most remarkable feature is its drill bit, made of a special alloy that can reach nearly 1000 degrees Celsius when heated by the nuclear reactor while rotating at a speed of 30 revolutions per minute, allowing it to easily penetrate any type of rock. Its drilling speed is very fast, advancing 10 kilometers per hour, equivalent to the running speed of a person. The drilling process has a magical aspect in that it can compact the excavated debris, forming a stable tunnel underground without collapsing. This way, it can quietly and stealthily approach important targets in the United States, such as missile bases or the presidential palace, and then detonate the nuclear bomb, causing devastating damage. This plan sounded very tempting, but the final outcome was somewhat unexpected. In 1964, the Soviet Union built the first drilling nuclear submarine and conducted the first experiment. The result was unexpectedly successful. The submarine traveled 10 kilometers underground without encountering any obstacles. The Soviet generals were ecstatic, believing they had found a secret weapon to end the United States. However, their joy quickly turned to sorrow. In the second test, the submarine suddenly exploded deep underground for unknown reasons. It could have been due to a reactor failure, overheating of the drill bit, or some unknown underground factor. Regardless, the submarine was blown to pieces, and the tunnel was filled with flames and smoke. All the soldiers perished. Not one survived. The explosion's power was equivalent to a small atomic bomb, and the tremor could even be felt on the surface. The Soviet leadership panicked and immediately ordered the cessation of the project, the destruction of all data and evidence, and buried the secret underground, never to be mentioned again.